Keep on coming. Keep on going. Your turns at the dumpster. He's tilt. Grip.
Tip. Yep. Ready? Yep. Oh, shit! God damn it! You good? Yeah,
Oh shit, that's a ram. Black.
Shit! 6-7 more, shots are fired. We need more cover.
10-4, please, cover code 39600 Gulf Lakes Trail.
Your call has been updated.
Go! We're going to be running west of the complex, heading towards the David Buster. Black tag, can you stick on the tag? Black male.
Your call has been updated.
Fuck the gun over here, by the building.
Oh, shit! God damn it! You good? Get up! Close the gun! Fuck! Shit!
He's not just sitting by himself. Looks like he's on the phone. He is running though. Now they're running. You help me to pull out ahead of y'all. You got a little more block, and I'm pulling behind you with the smoke behind.
We don't have time. We're coming in hot now.
I'd say falling behind him so that way he can't hit the go in reverse and go into that hump. We're pulling him back. Now keep on coming. Keep on going. Your turns at the dumpster. He's tilt. Grip.
Tip. Yep. Ready? Yep. Oh, shit! God damn it! You good? Get up! You got a gun! You got! Somebody drop the gun! Drop the gun! Fucking shit!
6-7 more, shots are fired. We need more cover.
Hang on, Tim!
10-4, please, cover code 39600 Gulf Lakes Trail.
Good! He's running north!
Running north! He's gonna be running west through the complex, headed towards the David Busters.
Stop it! Black male.
He dropped his gun over here by the building.
John, I'm east from the south. I'm where you at, bro?
Don't you fucking move! Get on the ground now! One at gunpoint, west southwest corner. He's on a white shirt. But get on the fucking ground, face down! Don't you fucking move! He's behind the fences, or he's behind the building near the fence corner. You fucking flinch! I'll put a hole in you, motherfucker! You fucking hit?
Yeah, he's hit.
God damn it.
Go get that kid.
Yeah. Where you hit at? Okay, hey. You got close, Kevin?
No.
Here. It's up there. She fucking... What is your name?
Eric.
Eric what? Okay. Oh, shit! God damn it! You good? Get out of the fucking truck! God! Drop the fucking gun! Good! He's running north! He's gonna be running west of the complex, headed towards the David Buster. He's stopping. He's wearing all black jacket. He took off his hat. Black male. He dropped his gun over here.
By the building.
John, I'm east of the south. Where's he at?
Fuck. You guys okay? Oh fuck, dude. There's on top of him. He's on top of him.
Oh shit. That's a ram.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Stay on the fucking ground. Don't fucking move. I don't go with Kevin now. He's got the shooter. Go. Don't fucking move. We got one more gun. Hang on. Give a fucking ground. I'm not gonna beat it.
I'm not gonna be aggressive, so I already told you.
You already fucking were. And you're the fucking man.
Shut up. Delta 684. Who shot at us?
I don't know if I